we are on the AI realistic video, how we can be able to create an AI realistic video. And now I will have to be honest with you. All of these things I'm teaching you, you can easily use one. You can easily say, let me focus on one, and you can make a huge amount of money in it. Yeah, you can make huge amount of money in it. So just like my wife, I taught my wife how to do this AI realistic video. Last week, my wife was doing those AI realistic video for as low as 20,000 naira per video advert. And he run advert once and then had about more than 18 customers that paid 20,000 naira. And then, so that's just it. And she was able to make 6 figures from this. So you can learn this AI realistic video and then you can easily push it out. Let me create a video. Let me create an AI video advert for you. So we'll be creating an AI video and then I'll be showing you 2 platforms. There are a lot of platforms that you can create an AI video, but I will show you the one I'm using. And then you can also explore more options for you. So I would want to use somebody's business to create so that we can use it and create an AI video. But before then, if you can easily give us your business, what your business is all about, so that we can create a realistic AI video. And then, so if you can just type it and then give me the prompts from what we have just learned. If you are giving me your business, you just have to practicalize what we just talked about. Give me a prompt that I will paste on ChatGPT so that we can use it and create a realistic AI video. Now, there are 2 things that you need to know when creating a realistic AI video. If you are creating a realistic AI video, it should not solely be only that AI, the one that AI generated. That's to say that you also need to learn you also need to know how to edit videos. Now, this is where video editors also comes in play, because you cannot say AI is coming to replace video editors. AI will not replace video editors, because at a point, you will need the input of a video editor to be able to compile the whole videos, add some images, add some prompts. All of these things, AI is still under process. We have not even gotten to the final stage of getting the best of AI tools. We've not gotten to the final stage of that. So whose business am I going to use for this? So if I'm using your business, go on chat, get me a very good prompt, define the context, define the tone, define what the business is all about, and then drop it on the chat bot. Drop it on the chat bot. So we will use your business and create an AI realistic video. So as you are doing that, let's look at the platforms that we are going to create our AI realistic video. We have Google Flow. That's the Google VEO. So if you just type Google Flow on your browser, you'll be able to see a lot of them. Sometimes the URL is just labs.google.com, but most times you just type Google Flow. Sometimes when you type labs.google Flow, okay, it says please come again. On which area? So I said if you have a business, okay, you want us to use your video to create the AI realistic video, use your ChatGPT and then generate the prompts. Then paste it here. We will now use it and create an AI realistic video. So we have Google Flow. Google Flow is an AI platform that everybody is using. Back then, we are using Runway. Then from Runway, we moved to Sora. From Sora, we now moved to this Google AI Flow. Then from there now, we have Sora 2.0, which is released by ChatGPT. They released their own, and it's also wonderful. So all of these things they are always coming up, coming up, coming up. Now there are a lot of flaws on this Google AI Flow. So let us open it. There are a lot of flaws that you should be aware of. In terms of writing text on a video, it's not perfect. In terms of a lot of things that are not perfect here. That is why you need to have a little skill on video editing. You have InShot, you have CapCut, you can just use it and then design. You can just use those things and then design your own video the way you want. Sometimes on this Google AI Flow, you might not be able to add your logo and say, use my logo and create an AI video. There are some platforms that does that, but those platforms are not free. A lot of platforms are doing AI realistic video, but those platforms are not free. So we are just, as an entrepreneur, we are just starting. We don't have such luxury fund to pay $40 per month, creating like 3 or 4 videos every month. So that's why we are focusing on this labs.google. Labs.google is a platform that you can use. Let me just paste the link. It's a platform that you can use to create your own AI video. Now, a lot of people have made so much money on this. When it comes out newly, I made about 240,000. I just bought I was just selling the course. I was just selling the course, and I still have the course. I bought the course and learn it, even though I know how to do it, but I bought the course so that I can still learn some things, master some things, and then I was able to have resale right. And then out of the resale right, I was even selling it around, was it for 5,000 naira? And I made a lot of money on it, but I just have to still keep it pending, then transfer the whole thing to my wife to continue. So it's a small money, but we are looking for the bigger money that will give us millions. So we need to focus on the millions and leave the thousands for those who need the thousands. So we are going to create an AI flow. So here now, yes, I don't know, this is mobile friendly. If you're also using your phone, you can be able to do this. So we can now click on create with flow. When we click on create with flow, it will open the AI platform. It will open the dashboard where we can start creating our own AI. So it's loading. So we have AI flow, then we also have Pipit. We have Pipit.ai. Now, Pipit.ai is owned by CapCut and is owned by CapCut. And one of the things that they do is you use it to create a very wonderful AI video that nobody will even know that, this is AI video. Nobody will know that this is AI video. So we will have to log in. This is the account I want to log in is not here. Okay, hold on. So AI. So who is giving me his or her business to use and create this AI video? So this is pp.ai. This is a wonderful platform. It's a wonderful platform. This is a platform you can easily change your is a platform you can easily change. You can easily make a picture to start talking, you know. And I think we'll explore them. We'll have to explore them a little bit. I'm just concerned about time. So let me share my other screen. Hold on. So you guys can see my screen, right? I'm sharing with another browser. Can you guys see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay.
Sorry, can someone
So,
teach me how to make comments, please? I'm not really used to this meet.
okay. Okay. So what you just need to do is that you will see if you are using a phone, you will see a three dots. A three dots. You can easily click on that three dots. You now click on chat with everyone. There is something like a little message icon that looks like a book, a small book icon. You
You
just
will see
click on
an
chat
you
with.
will see an info message. Info messages. Just click on it and you find
Yes.
chat.
Okay. So okay, this one says beloved beloved pet snap. What does it do? I don't know. Okay, so still go ahead and type what your business is all about. In fact, we can just go with a layman understanding and then just do it in a layman way. And then we'll see how we get it. Uh, Snapping of pets. I don't understand. Like, is it is it pet dog or what? Snapping of pets. Okay, pet photographer. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Can we have an I pet photographer? What does it mean by pet photographer? Like you snap dogs, birds, all of those things are pets. I don't know whether it is. If it is, still let me know. So, okay, says yes. Okay, okay, wow. Oh, well, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I'm having this one capacity building for youth in agro business. Are you a consultant? If you are a consultant, okay, we can just say, okay, you are a consultant and you want to do a training or capacity building. Is it going to be an event? So, but let me go with this pet photographer. Let me go with the pet photographer. So, pet photographer, okay, what's the name again? So, snapping of pets, which is the pet photographer. So we will use this as NEPA again. So we will use this as a prototype. Now, first of all, we will have to go to ChatGPT. Here now on Google AI Flow, you have 100 units, 300 units, and this 300 units will help you generate 5 videos. Yeah, 5 videos. 5 videos. And these 5 videos are only nothing but 8 seconds. They generate 8 seconds. So there are things that you need to know about this Google AI Flow. It's bias. That's why I keep saying it's not perfect. It's bias. If you just type the prompt, it will give you the white man, which is not what you want. So normal, by default, it's white men that it will give you. So that's what it gives you by default. So one of the things that we are going to do is we open the AI chatbot. I'm actually using the pro version. And the pro version is around 28,500. But on your own, if you open your own, just click on this place that you can see your name. All of these things are videos that we have generated for businesses. This one is the one I generated for business, where a white man is actually advertising my brand. So this is it. So it's just 8 seconds that this thing will generate for you. But before you start using your prompt, first of all, go to ChatGPT and then go to ChatGPT. You need to go to your ChatGPT and then create the prompt very well, because sometimes we don't have the whole prompts that we needed in maybe in our business or any place. So we can easily go to ChatGPT and then we create our own prompts the way it should be. So first of all, we have a pet photographer. We have pet photographer. What's the brand name again? Let me copy the brand name. I can't even find the brand name here again. Is the brand name Pet Photographer? So now, when you are doing this, you can easily know what are your goals. What is this thing that you want to really achieve from this AI prompt? What do you want to achieve from it? I don't know. You can still type the brand name again. Okay, beloved. Thank you. So first of all, what is your goal in creating this video? Remember, this has to do with creative prompt. It's a creative prompt. You need to find a way to make sure that you are creating this, because this prompt is a prompt that you need, is a creative prompt that will generate something, not just text, something that will come up like a video or an image. So we have beloved pet snap. Man, this is my first time hearing this photography business. I just snap pet only. It's my first time hearing it. I wonder, well, people make money, sure. So, and I believe that you are not in eastern part of this Nigeria, because nobody will even listen to you. All of them will just be using their phone to snap their dog and then. So now, so this is beloved pet snap. So first of all, as I said before, we are going to give this AI a layman prompt. So beloved pet snap is 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 a pet photographer. Okay. Where is your location? Where is your location? Then your address, your phone number, I don't know. Okay, Ogun State. Then you can just give, okay, we can just use a demo number, or if you don't mind, you can still put your number here. Okay. So so now I'm not trying to, what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to build the prompt. Remember, for the fact that I'm trying to build a prompt, it's not a prompt any longer. You are giving ChatGPT a prompt to build a prompt for you. So beloved pet now is a pet photographer in Ogun State. And needs an advert for his business. His target audience, his target market are pet lovers, dog owners, cat owners. Okay, so I need you now. See what I'm doing now. I need you to act as a prompt engineer. Sometimes you can start with act as a prompt engineer at the beginning of the ChatGPT, but for here now, we are just doing it like a layman. So I'm not thinking, I need you to act as a prompt engineer. Give me a prompt. Give me a prompt I will use on Google VEO 3. Remember, it's only generates 8 seconds video. It only generates 8 seconds video. It only generates 8 seconds video. And I want to create a, let's say, three script prompts for this. So my number for the call to action. So action is, so I'm just trying to explain the whole thing, and I'm not giving him more. I'm just telling ChatGPT to just generate 3 prompts for me. Just generate only 3 prompts for me. And then, so I'm going to send it. So perfect. Let's craft these 3 prompts for you. A cheerful slow motion of montage and all that. So let's see. So this is the same one. Pet photographers in Ogun State, golden sunlight, moonlight, overlay text, capture their perfect, calm upbeat music. So maybe now we want it to say something. We can now say, okay, I need the AI. I need somebody. I need someone that can also talk about it. Hold on. That can also talk about, say that can say something on the video, just on a layman that can say something on the video. Now I can also ask AI to maintain the person. I need you to also maintain the person in all things, so that it's not when you are generating second scene and the second scene will now, first scene will be somebody wearing suit, the second scene will now be somebody who is wearing t-shirt, you know, all of those things. So we'll go there, and then, so here we have this. So let me go back to the home page, because there are some things I need to show you here. So on your own platform, sorry. Okay, do you want to say something?
Yes, a question. Sorry.
Okay,
I'm a
it's all
little
right.
bit,
Ask.
yeah, it's like is it me start a little bit confused?
Okay.
The question you typed to generate the
Okay.
3 scenes, you did it in ChatGPT.
Yes.
So The video you are going to use Pipit to generate the video.
No, I'm going to use Google AI Flow to generate the video. But
So it's like, I don't know, maybe you just explain the steps. It's like you, what do you use ChatGPT to do, and at what point do you go to Google Flow?
All right. So this Google Flow, it costs money. That's why you don't just have to go to Google Flow and give anyhow prompts. It costs money. A month of Google Flow is around 28,000. So one of the things that we are doing is that we are going to ChatGPT to generate the prompt. That's number one. We are using ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Then we will now copy this prompt and then go to Google AI Flow and then paste it. I don't know if you get. So first of all, you go to ChatGPT and then get the prompts. When you go to ChatGPT and get the prompt, after getting the prompt, you now copy this prompt to Google AI Flow and paste it. So create with Google AI Flow. So now this is our prompt for Google AI Flow. It says a friendly young male pet photographer standing in a sunny park in Ogun State, camera hanging from his neck and all that. He says, "Hey pet lovers, let's turn your furry friends' best moment into a stunning memories overlay." Then this is the second scene. The second scene says, "Same male pet photographer in a cozy indoor photo studio in Ogun State. He's adjusting his studio light, gently posing a cat, then turns to camera with a warm smile." You know, all of these things are the prompts that AI is generating for us, ChatGPT is generating for us. So we can just copy these prompts. Now, this one has both the call to action and all that. We can just copy this and then go to Google AI Flow and then click on Create with AI Flow. If you sign up on your own Google AI Flow, you have 100 credits that can only generate 5 videos for you. Then after that, you have to wait for the next month before you could be able to get another AI video, before you could be able to get another 100 prompt. But if you have the capacity to subscribe, you can go ahead and subscribe, 28,000 naira, and then get your own new and get 1,000 prompts. So I'm using the subscription version, which is 960 AI credits I have remaining. Now, I need you to know that when you are using your Google AI Flow, there are different options. You can generate one video and that 100 units is gone. Yeah, you can generate 100 video and that 100 units is gone. Now, look at very well what I want to show you. Now, on this place, it's saying VEO3 fast. Now, if I click on this place now, I'm going to see different AI models for this AI realistic AI video. Now, we have a VEO3 fast, better audio. We have VEO2 fast, support ending scene. We also have VEO3 quality. Now, this quality takes 100 units per each 8 seconds video that you generate. It takes 100 units per each 8 seconds video that you generate. So for your own good, you just have to use VEO3 fast. This one now, VEO3 fast. Now, if I click on VEO3, you can see here, it says 100 credits. Each generation uses 100 credits based on your current settings. Then here now, you can decide whether the kind of video that you want to use it to create. Is it for mobile? Is it for Facebook Reels? Or is it going to be the one that you will post on YouTube? So we have a different ratio here. We have the landscape, we have the portrait, all of these things, you can decide which one to use. So I will switch back this thing to VO3 fast, and I'm going to use portrait. Okay, let me use landscape for the purpose of this video so that we can be seeing the whole video in full. So I'm using landscape. So I'm going to now go to ChatGPT and then copy this prompt. When I copy this prompt, I'll come back to Google AI Flow and paste it. Now, this is says, hey pet lovers, let's turn your furry friend's best moment into stunning memories. Book your pet shot with beloved pet snap today. I think the words are too long, but let's try and see if it can say all these things. And one thing about this is that if you are using long words, one of the things that it does is that it will make the words to be fast. The person will have to now speak so fast on it. So the person will have to speak so fast on it. So we are going to send this. We are going to send this. Now, it's not based on your business alone. There was a video that was shared on the WhatsApp platform where somebody created an AI realistic video of where they are burying Buhari. Yeah, Buhari, but it wasn't a real video. People were thinking that since he's the president of Nigeria and they have to use this. So since he's the president of Nigeria, everybody was watching it. They were seeing how the casket was going out, and it goes viral. So I have another offer for you guys. If you really want to use this realistic AI video as a business, just not to showcase your product, you just want to start creating AI video for people, you can still chat with me. There are ways that you can easily get access to this AI Pro version. So the AI Pro version, I can give you access to it where you can be able to generate a lot of, but it comes with a cost. This one now is that every month you have 1,000 AI credits to generate videos for businesses. So it's just like an enterprise plan. Instead of you spending 28,000 naira every month, there is a one-time fee that you will spend for the whole year. So for the whole year. So that's another one. You can still contact me if you want to, you want to start creating videos and then do it for a content. But for those that are doing business, you can still go ahead and manage with this 100 AI credits that Google gives you every month. It's like 5 seconds videos every day. So now this is a friendly young male pet photographer. And then another thing is that I told you something that this AI prompt is biased. Now I have already put Ogun State, Nigeria. Anything that you are doing and you want it to look more of Nigeria, you need to add Nigeria on the prompt. You want it to look like a Nigerian, because if it's not, it's going to generate a white man or any other person. But use Nigeria as it. So I'm going to send this. So I'm sending this. It's loading. As it's loading, let's go. Let's head back to Pipit, and then also use the same prompt on pipit.ai. So we are just doing the both together. So we are using this, the Google AI Flow is generating, and then we are opening Pipit. So this is Pipit. And then, one thing about this Pipit is nice. If you sign up, you get, so look at all these videos that you are seeing here. Let me continue with my email. You can see all these videos that you are seeing here. It looks like, let's say it looks real, but it's just AI. And Pipit is good for advertisements. They are very, very good for one-time advertisement. They will give you a lot of settings. Then you can just edit it at a point. So just that, yeah, it's okay. So let's sign up with Pipit. AI. Let me just drop the link here so that those that doesn't have it can still copy it. So we have pp.ai. So this is pp.ai. This is the website that you can use to create your own. Okay, your number, please. All right, no problem. Will you get my number through the admin? Okay. So we are still on pp. So let's just create. Let's just give a random birthday. Doesn't matter. Anything that you give this AI is going to take. So we've logged in on Pipit, though it will still ask us some question. Now, on this Pipit now, I'm just trying to, rush the whole things. So let's check our own Google AI flow. Now, see what is generated now. So this is what we have here. Beloved pet snap with the phone number, capture their perfect memory. Let's play it. Are you guys? Now, this is just like a one thing that covers everything. And you can see that we have the phone number here, 090-864-783. I don't know, is this correct? That's why I said sometimes I don't know, the number is not complete. So that's why I say sometimes the AI is not always right. You always need to check it. Okay, 83. That's it. 86408783. Okay, the number is correct. Okay, so this is what we'll have here. So we have one scene here, a photographer with dogs and all that. So can you guys hear the voice? Let me know. Let not be like I'm just the only one.
No, you can't.
You can't hear the voice. Oh, voila. I don't know why this is like that.
We still can't hear anything.
Wow,
Check,
wow.
check, check that screen you're sharing. I think the voice is on mute. It's on mute.
Okay, let me
So
see.
maybe
Let me see. Let me go ahead and share the screen again. It's saying to share audio, share tab instead. So I think is the only way this thing can work is if I'm only sharing the Chrome tab. So I don't know, let me see if sharing the entire screen. Even when I share the entire screen, let me check something.
I don't know. Try to check. You know that everybody is muted. So if you want to share that screen, you have to unmute the screen. It's showing on top that it's muted.
I think maybe I'm not the admin, or maybe that's why it's like that. So, but let me see if I can save it. Let me see.
You are given access. I give you access to do anything. So I don't know why
Okay.
it's not good.
Because if I'm sharing Chrome tab, it's going to work. If I'm sharing Chrome tab, it's going to work. So let me see again. Because the AI, I'm
Right.
because the tab I'm using is the one I have subscription. This tab I'm using for this. Okay, let me see if I can. No, there's no need. So let me still download and then I can still drop the video on the this thing. I can still drop the video on the WhatsApp group. Then we can just watch it. So, but let's go ahead and do the other one. Let me go ahead and share the other one, please, because of time. I'm going to drop the video on the group so that all of us can easily take a look at it and then play it. So we are here on Pipit. Now, I believe you guys can see my screen on Pipit, right? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Now, there are all these trending videos that you see online, that you see on TikTok. This is one of the things that they do. You see a child singing, even a child singing an Igbo song. Um, so a lot of these things, you can use this. These ones are just for products, selling. You are doing all of these things. You can see there are products, images, and adverts. Then we have avatar video. Now this place now this is marketing video. Now in this marketing video, you can just paste the prompt here. Sorry, okay, let me just see if I can copy this prompt and then generate. Let's analyze your prompt. So this is the first one on the marketing video. Then we also have the one that you can easily put your image and the AI will actually start talking. And then so here you can just say AI recommended media and then click on generate. Though some of the media that is going to give you here are not the actual media that you need. Let me see. Hold on. I just changed the video script. It says a friendly young man prompt. So here we can generate a video using our prompts, and then we also have the one that you can just upload your picture and then put the words. The AI will just say it, and then maybe it's your maybe. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that too. Hold on, let me just download this video. Upscale. When I click on upscale, is to increase the quality of the video. So upscaling your video costs 0 credits. This may take a few minutes. So let's check this out. So here now, one of the things that this do is it generates loss of content for you. Most times, if you want to export it, this pp.ai will not be there. They won't be there. So let's see if this one is still okay. This one is still doing. So this one now is now on this thing now is just based on the media that we input in this. Then we have another AI generation platform, which is this avatar video. Avatar video is where you choose your character. Where you choose your character. This is where you can choose. This is where you choose your character. If you are looking for different scenes, now somebody can just be here and then talk about talk about your video. Let's look at the one we can use. So this is a video that you can use. All of these things are free AI video that you can use, like this one here. We can decide to use this one. Then when we decide to use this one, you can see edit script. This is edit script. Now this one now has to do with the voice only. You now have to paste whatever you want this AI to say. You just paste it. It will just say it, and then it generates up to even 1 minute or so. Yes, it generates up to 1 minute. So now we can easily come here and then and come back to this place. Hey, pet lovers, we copy this. Book your shot today with beloved snaps. Then we copy this and then edit. We'll edit it here, and then let's still copy more prompts here from the script, from the scene too. Every pet deserves a professional photo session. So, but whenever you are doing this, you still need to find a way to put it on CapCut and then edit. So you need to find a way to put it on CapCut and then edit. You need to add maybe images of the pets and the rest of them. So we have this now. Remember, you can choose your avatar. You can, on this avatar, you can apply this avatar. Then we have our avatar, and then we have our script. It's loading. So we have our scripts. All right, so this is the script that we've already pasted here. So one of the things that we will just do is play the video. Let's see. Okay. So here you can easily choose, the write-up here. So we can choose any kind of what's it called? Any kind of captions for it. We can use this, we can use this. You can use any one. But if you don't want to use any one, you can just let me see. There should be, well, I don't know. Since we are doing this, okay, let's still go ahead with this one. Let me see this one now. So let's go ahead. This is not the avatar I applied for. This is the avatar I applied for. So when you apply the avatar, then you edit your script, then you can play it and see whether it's playing. And when it's playing, you can now export your video. You can export your video. So this is it. This is just like a news broadcaster, sending out the news. You can use anyone here. There are plenty, so you can use anyone you want. It just depends on what you need it for. Maybe you are into consulting, you now need a nice background. You are into agro, you can use aside shot, aside scenes and all that. So let's export the video. We can see the export here. We can see the export here. We have our avatar, we have our script. Then the next thing is that we can export. These are genders, if you want to select genders, but they are all of these things. The scenes, the kind of scenes you want, living room, bedroom, bathroom, outdoor, kitchen, inside the, all of these things are scenes that you can use. So we just export this video with watermark. I will click on no watermark because we don't want people to know that, okay, now people generate this thing. We just click on no watermark. This is the resolution that we have here. I don't know if I increase the resolution, if it will still be free. So I've increased the resolution. This is the frame rate. Then I will download the video. So let me still go ahead and then share the, let me still go ahead and share this AI video that we just generated on the WhatsApp platform. I hope I have this right. Let's test it. Okay. Okay, sent. So after this now, the next thing you need to do is to export the video. You need to export the video, and after exporting the video, you can now post it online. You can generate as many as videos that you want. Now, sometimes you can easily use it as if it's a testimonial. You see, after offering a service with this white lady in USA, we were able to, the white lady was able to share his or her testimonial and all that. So it's just AI. It's just AI. It's just what you can do with AI. So all of these things are, let me still post this one. Let me still put this one on the WhatsApp platform. So since the sound wasn't playing from here, I still have it here so that you can still watch it. So we've done 2 videos and I've shared it. So there are other video platforms that you can do, but I would just suggest you use this one that is free. All these ones are free. Other ones are paid. We have Runway, we have a lot of them. So that's it on this place. Do anybody have a question before we move to the next one? If you have a question, let me know before we move to the next next module of our training. If you have a question, you can ask. Okay.
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
So sorry, it will look like taking you back. The first topic you taught us about the prompting.
Yes.
You emphasize personalizing the prompting.
Yes.
So I want to know, how do we personalize it?
Okay, how you personalize it is sharing your private information to AI. sharing your, maybe it's not private information. You can share your biography with AI. Now, for me, one of the things I do is that I have my resume, I have my CV, and that my CV is where I have a lot of things I have done, or I have my website. So one of the things I do, I feed this chatbot with all the information about me. I say, okay, this is the information about me. This is this, this is this, this is this. Now, in your ChatGPT, now let me go back to ChatGPT where we can easily personalize it more and it will have more deep understanding. Now, if you open your ChatGPT, am I sharing my screen? Okay, let me share. Sorry. Hold on. If you open your ChatGPT, this is my ChatGPT. If you open your ChatGPT, you can now personalize your ChatGPT inside your settings. Now, how do you do that? You go to settings. Let me, hold on. You go to settings. No, sorry. You click on your settings. Now, this is my settings. Well, when I go to my settings, I will now, you see personalization. This is personalization. This is where you personalize your chatbot, or your ChatGPT, sorry, your ChatGPT. You personalize it, you give it custom instruction. You can also go to AI and tell AI that you want to personalize your ChatGPT on this. You have your nickname, Casper Joe. You have your occupation, business growth expert. You have more about you and all that. So for me, what I have here is data control. Inside my data control, you can see archive charts. Now, when I click on this archive charts, I can see, no. So from here now, you can personalize your ChatGPT. Now, these are memories. When I click on my memories, I will see a lot of things. Casper is working on SEO optimization. Casper works as a remote CTO for Gen2B Foundation USA. Now, all of these things are memories that AI saved for me. So because of AI have saved it for me, I don't really need much of personalization. Now, I can come to ChatGPT now. I can come to my ChatGPT and say, tell me about Casper Joe. Tell me about Casper Joe. Now, AI will tell me about myself because this one is just searching on the net. So he says he's the founder and CEO of Casper Joe Media, digital service and offering, web development, and all of these things. Now, if I can also tell me about Casjo Tech. That's my company. Tell me about Casjo Tech. The reason I'm saying this is that you can, if your ChatGPT has your memory and you tell the ChatGPT to personalize it, it will use the memory on your ChatGPT and personalize it for you. And sometimes, if this thing is not filled up, like this now, it says save memory is filled up. I can say save this memory. It will delete an old memory and save this. So I can say save this memory. Now, these are the features that is inside your ChatGPT. I say save this memory. You will see something like memory updated or memory saved. Okay, you say your memory is currently filled, so I can't save new details right now. You can free up space by going to, some of us our memories are not filled up, but my own is filled up. But I don't usually use ChatGPT for my jobs. I use Perplexity because I'm using the pro version of Perplexity, Let me show you guys something. Then this is a pro version of Perplexity. That's about is about around $40 per month. So let me share. So this is Perplexity. I use Perplexity for most work I do. Yeah, I use Perplexity for most work I do. And if you're using Perplexity, it has a limit. So I don't advise you to use it, but ChatGPT, you can generate a lot of tests. So inside this Perplexity, I have some spaces. Now let me show you something. I know these spaces are not really necessary, but let me see if I can. It's not loading. So I have spaces. Inside my spaces is where inside my spaces is where I have a lot of things. So those things I have is I can come for Casio Tech and create a page. You can do that on ChatGPT, yes. You can do that on ChatGPT. You can come on one chat and just give ChatGPT every information on that company or every information about you personally. And when you give ChatGPT all this information, what happens is that whenever you want to give a prompt, come back to that chat. Come back to that chat. Those places that you drop all those messages, continue from there. That's how ChatGPT can be able to give you a response based on your personalization on that chat exactly. Like now, I can come on this. These are chats I have. These are some of the chats. There are some chats I saved. This one is, there are some chats I saved. I can come back here now. This one says Casper Joe summary. I can come back here and then ask AI based on this chat that is here. So that's one of the reasons, that's the personalization stuff. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, but one more thing, like let's say for a student, okay, all of them are given the same task to do, assignment. The tendency, if they are 50, the tendency that 40 will just copy the assignment verbatim and paste on ChatGPT to generate the answers. Then they will adjust. So how can one distinguish himself or herself using ChatGPT to also use ChatGPT to provide solution to a task, not following the general what the colleagues are doing generally?
Yes. We have, as I said before, we have an AI that converts the AI test to human, but most times is that if you use them at the time is we have this thing called Humanized AI Pro. Now, that's why sometimes if you are using ChatGPT, you will ask ChatGPT to make it in a way that it cannot be detected by any AI platform. And ChatGPT can generate it like a human form. They can generate it like a human form. And you can also use some website. I don't know why the website is not ready. Humanized AI Pro. Let me see if this thing. Let me just refresh. So this is Humanized AI Pro. This we have the free Humanized AI test with smartest AI humanizer. So this is Humanized AI Pro. This is where you can copy those projects, paste it, and then humanize it. Now let's say let's go here and copy something. Let me see. I don't know what I'm going to copy, but if we can copy this thing now, we can say risk and mitigation and all that. So we can copy something like this test and then go to humanize, copy from ChatGPT. We copy from ChatGPT, introduction of AI in healthcare, and then, but this is just a slide presentation. We just paste it, and then we'll now ask it to humanize it. Then it will humanize it. It's going to humanize it. That's just to rewrite it in a way that no AI can dictate it. But it's also involve your creativity. That's why I keep saying AI is not here to replace anybody. It is you that will be able to add your creative input. Even as the AI has generated it, we have Grammarly. Grammarly is also a platform you can use to rewrite text. You can say rewrite it. We have a lot of platforms that you can go online, but most of them are just paid. If you just rewrite 5 or 6, the next one they will ask you to pay. So all of these ones are the things. HumanizeAI.pro is also a platform that you can use to regenerate your text so that it will not be able to detect that it is AI. And another thing is that you need to edit it. It's abnormal to just copy everything AI sent to send as a project or as a test. You must edit it. You need to edit it. Even if there is a place they write congratulations, you can just put something like appreciation, just edit it in a way that there is your own input. It's not even good to just copy everything AI give you and then submit. So just edit it, rewrite it. There are some tests. You can easily use dictionary. You can see another word that also are the same, but words that are the same, you can just change them. So all of these things are what you can use. I believe that answers the question. Does it answer the question? So that we can move to another thing.
Perfectly. Thank you.
Okay. So let's move to another thing. So the assignments you guys are going to do is that you guys are going to generate. I'm giving you guys assignment. I need you guys to generate so that I will know that, okay, what I'm teaching is now. I need you guys to generate your own AI video from Google VEO, and then you can just share it on the group. I don't know if it will be allowed, but you can still share it on the group. Okay, this is my assignment. This is what I have done. I was able to generate this for my business and all that. And another thing is that we also have something that you can use to generate audio, like 11 Labs. 11 Labs is also what you can use to generate audio. So we have another one is AI powered presentation skills. Most times if we are presenting, our slides are just rubbish. Just like we are seeing this slide now, I use AI. I just pressed all the whole topics. Then AI was able to give me, okay, sorry. Just like you are seeing this slide, it was done using AI. It was done using AI, and I was able to use AI to generate this thing in seconds. So we've done realistic video. So the assignment is that you need to generate your own video and post on the group. This night, or after tomorrow is over, no more posting. Just do it this night so that I know that, okay, you already grabbed something.